Min od jalup jatend piny Dorcas Rigathi ojiwo oganda ma pacho kae mondo ohinga nyasi mar pasaka e yo makare kendo giket tenge thuolo mar bedo gi anyuola magi. Omedo ni mit nyasi mar pasaka en bedo machiegni gi familia. Dorcas bende ojiwo Kristo e kor gwenge ma pacho kae mondo ohinga nyasi mar pasaka ka giparo godo tho kaachiel gi chier mar jawar.
Fathers, I pray that you will take care of your children. If husbands, you will take care of your wives. Wives, you will love your husbands and make sure that this time you'll be an Easter that we will be able to commemorate and celebrate all together as family. To the family of Jesus Christ, to the every church, I wish you a happy Easter. And may we celebrate it with knowledge and understanding. May we open our doors to those who are who have no food. Let them come to the church and let them come to the house of their God and be able to celebrate Easter in style.